or after a normal broadcast, but today we're doing off-road.
Today we're doing stupid.
What's up? Well, we got the body kit and everything, so I had to take it back off. Back down to just the chassis. And before I get started on the rear, I decided I'd get some of the gusset plates out of the way. So I got my template. And now I put it onto the metal, cut out the square that I wanted, and now I'm going to do my nice and easy cuts on this to make it nice. I got 2 of those. And then I got this plate here, which is going to go across the front. It has some sick dimple dies in it, because dimple die everything. So all these plates are done. They're ready to go over to get their bends and their bead rolls and dimple dies. And we'll do all that over at J2. So the next plate I'm going to work on is the front gusset. We're going to do a plate like this, which actually this will be flipped over like that. And it'll fit right in between the dash and the bar. So we'll do 2, 1 for each side. That's what we're going to do. Alright, so that's 1 plate down. Cut out. Just need some flapper disc. I'm going to cut the other one and then flapper disc them and then see how they fit. So there they are, all done, cleaned up. And obviously I can't do this one-handed, but they fit pretty good. There needs to be a little bit of trimming done in a couple of spots to get it to sit flush. Pretty much exactly where I had my Sharpie marks. So then once we do that, it'll fit good. And same with the other side. And
What are we doing?
we're trimming the rear quarters
Okay.
because they left all this extra material.
So as you can see, there's a lot of extra. Oh, sorry. Go ahead, point it out.
There's a lot of extra material.
So when it comes down to it, it's kind of hard to explain, but if you look on here, the company obviously has these provisions right here that they already did. Right there and right there. They're saying, hey, in these 2 spots, this is where we want you to fasten it to the quarter. Okay, well, when you set this fender on here as is, with this big flange, you're not going to fit all the way to the quarter, as you can see. So what Carlton's doing is he's going to trim this flange off because we know for a fact that we don't need it because obviously it can't hang over that much. What we're going to end up doing is these provisions are here. They don't have any here. So what we're going to do is drill, drill, drill when we fasten it, and it'll be mounted in these spots along with these 2 spots flush against the actual quarter panel itself. So it's a process. It's not fun. It's kind of hard to decide exactly where stuff needs to be cut. And I mean, with me and Carlton, we've done this, 10, 20, 15 times, right? What do you think?
I've never done this in my life.
Okay, I've never done it either, but we're gonna figure it out, right?
Well, you make 1 bad cut, what do you do, right?
Yeah, you just buy another quarter.
Yeah, no big deal.
Yeah, it's all good. How's that fit, buddy?
Questionable.
Questionable? Better on the front half, however. Oh, it's not bad at all.
No, it's just I don't know what this is.
That was
so stressful. Especially when somebody's holding your over fender, drinking a beer on the phone.
I'm sitting there telling him, like, dude, hammer down on that cutoff wheel. Let's go. Hammer down. Let's go.
Because look how good it is the first time.
Yeah, but I mean, you're still going to clean it up. He's scared. He's scared.
He doesn't care because it's not your body kit.
A few moments later.
Yeah. In theory, I mean, I guess at some point I'm going to have one.
And then I'm going to be like, hammer down, Tori, hammer down on it. And guess what? You're going to pay probably 4 times more than what I paid.
Yeah, probably. For my drift car that...
We're not talking about it.
No, I know. All of that was bleeped out. Bleep, bleep, beep, 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 beep. Do you think our editor can do that?
Probably.
All right. What do we got here, buddy?
Words and stuff.
No way. The engine's already halfway out. Just that easy. Just like that, huh?
Totally. Totally.
Whoa.
Don't even stop, bro. If he ever says whoa, you keep going. You keep going. Until one day when he says whoa and I actually need to stop, I'm gonna fuck something up.
Making sure I live my day. Bright light across my face, slowly shake me out my days. Being here is just a phase, till the day I'm back in space. I will look around and feel just how it feels to fucking hate. Take every time I hate, spend it on some shit that ain't true or how I want it. Earth to look and now it's what I see. Twisted branches broken out, willow weeping like me now. Walking tight, the softest grass, it line the garden where we at. Deep drug and creep, running metamorphic, part the current. Keep talking weak, all the watchers of the planet burning, self-sustaining, fuck complaining. I see what I need and gain it. Take me.
Got all the brake lines finished up. All the way down, across to the bulkheads. T here, T here. This one goes straight to the brake bias. This one goes straight over to the reservoir. Well, to the master, I should say. So those turned out all good. Maybe you can see this one. Yeah, up to here. Back to there. All the way back through. We had the light on here to show you, but that's okay.
Yeah, once it's all sucked in, I mean, it fits pretty good.
Yeah, I agree.
I'll just sand the edges, make them nice and straight.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it from here, you can see it kind of goes like that, but that's fine. It's just a rough cut. You can actually fit it up now, is what I'm trying to say. And like I said earlier, the A pillar, B pillar piece that goes on, all of this is going to be, it's going to come out to like here.
Yeah.
All the way around. So none of that will be even seen. Got the second one cut. Just a little short on the line. We just noticed that. So we cut here. We should be cutting on that top line that you guys can see in the video.
Same with this one.
Same with that one. Oh yeah, you're right. We're a little short. It's real hard to tell. I mean, obviously on here you can see where the line goes, comes in, and then here, kind of the same issue. So cut here, we should actually cut up here.
It take me to umbrella. I feel better now, my blood behaving. Watch me settle, hit the kettle, CPT and bust a thread. I'm all together, doubles better. So you know I back to back. I'm make two cash to ever back them. We stay far away from that shit. Please don't give us satisfaction. You light up with every clip.
I decided I better talk about this, else Tori's gonna Rick. So what I did was I cut out the quarter panels and fit the body kit. It's just mocked up with tape right now, but got that cut out, and then I got the extra wheel well that comes out from the body. I cut that out just so we have max clearance, less weight and everything.
And on the count of 3, we breathe out. Beautiful. This is your friend Uncle Ricky signing off.
Okay, I got pretty much everything prepped in the rear, ready for tube. The plates are on. Just have to double check those and make sure that they're completely level this way before I do the tube. Got this all in, all sealed back up. This is all tied in. So pretty much everything's ready to go. These are just temporary. It's just holding this portion up while I build my tube, and then I'll make some tube parts that'll hold it up. So yeah.